Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava here, founder of Online Study for You. Friends, Deloitte has again announced new hiring, and this particular hiring is through Deloitte Hackathon. Friends, in the last few days, we have seen lot of hiring from Deloitte. That means Deloitte definitely have requirements, they have vacant seats, and that's what they wanted to fill. And 2025 batch, already the recruitment is out for BE BTech, BSc BCA, BBA BCom. For 3 domains the recruitment is already out, and now this is for 2026 batch. Okay, and through this particular hackathon they will call you for internship, and that will be converted into the full-time hiring. That's how Deloitte majorly do. For the Cyber Gurukul also they did the same thing. Anyway, we will talk in detail, but I request all of you to please do like the video and subscribe to the channel. We really put a lot of effort for you all, you cannot even imagine. Okay, and one good news which is coming here from CapJn. So friends, CapJn has released the result, and many of the students, they are messaging on WhatsApp, Telegram, different places. So good evening sir, thank you for your valuable videos. I got selected in Tech Mahindra and CapJn from on campus. Okay, and definitely here you can see, thanks to you Pratik sir and your team. Okay, so basically the result has been announced for CapJn, and most of the students, those who are waiting for the result, they have got selected. I don't know how many of you have got rejected, but selection and rejection are part and parcel of once you write the or give the interview or give the examination. Okay, fine. Now I'll talk a little bit about this Deloitte NLA hiring, and then we will go to the 2026. So Deloitte has released notification for, right, basically 3 things. Okay, 3 different domains, and if we will try to see, one is for engineering, science and finance domain. Right here you can see, so engineering, undergraduate science, undergraduate commerce and allied courses. For engineering, BE BTech, ME MTech are eligible. For graduates, I think BSc BCA, and again commerce and allied courses, so here we will be having BBA BCom. Now registration is still open in most of the colleges. TPO said by 13th of June, right? So 13th of Jan the registration will be closed, so we have to see by tomorrow if the registration is open or not. So please do register if you have not yet done. Wonderful opportunity, don't miss. And this Tuesday we are also launching the courses for Deloitte, where you will be able to prepare well for the Deloitte examination, and that will be definitely, you will be able to see a lot of things which will be added over there. Okay, now so after this, let us come back and see what is Deloitte hackathon. This is hack explosion. Okay, so when the world goes, I like this line literally, when the world goes gigant, you go jag. When you prefer to test your limits instead of sticking with the tried and tested, when the world says why and you say why not, you know what, you are brimming with hack explosive talent, right? Okay, so the registration date is here, they have given the complete thing. So 8th to 17th of January 2025 you will be having registration. Then they will be having one webinar on 13th of Jan, and then round 1 challenge will be 22nd of Jan, webinar will be 27th of Jan, and round 2 submission 31st of Jan. Final discussion will be 17 to 21st of Feb, and winner announcement will be 26th of Feb 2025. And if you want to apply now, click on apply now, then you will be redirected to a page where they will talk about 6 semester I was telling, right? 2026 batch pass out. Okay, so they have given prize contest, team challenge and team size minimum 3 to 5. Okay, eligibility criteria and team information, they have given the complete thing. So, and this is for the limited institutes. So 6 semester engineering student enrolled in the educational institution. Okay, fine. Now, so here also they have given the price details, or what? They have not given. I think it here. So you see, first place you will be getting 1 lakh rupees, and plus internship opportunity. That internship will be converted into the full-time. That's how Deloitte does for cyber security Gurukul, right? So for that also the hiring they did, and they have called for the internship, and then they will be converting into the full-time. And then 50,000 for the second phase plus internship opportunity for select other teams too. Okay, so other selected other teams too, they will be getting the internship opportunity. Friends, see what I tell you, right? So if you're in third year, okay, now you have to start attempting this kind of hackathon. Maximum what will happen? Fail, you will fail, right? Fail, what is fail? First attempt in learning. See, till then you don't try something, you won't succeed. So failure and success is part and parcel of life. Till then we don't try, you will not succeed. Okay, so if you're failing, at least you will come to know that, okay, this is how the hackathon will be done. Okay, this is what kind of code will be asked, this is what kind of platform will be there. So you are very much comfortable in C++ or Java or Python. All those things you will come to know if you're working in multiple languages. So there are a lot of learnings will be there, how you will be able to work in team. And this hackathon experience you can also put in your resume in upcoming examination of TCS or anything. See, when you say that, okay, you had participated in a Deloitte hackathon and you got some 10 rank, 15 rank, 20 rank, 30 rank, they will understand that this guy or this particular person is trying. Okay, so that is where it will help you a lot. So every single opportunity, take it very, very seriously. I know we will fail, and one day we will succeed and will get placed in a very good company. And I want all of you to get placed as soon as possible. I will put all effort from my side, whatever is possible you tell me, and you please put effort from your side so that you will get placed, and I will be the happiest and luckiest person on the earth, I'm telling you. Thank you, take care, all the very, very best. We'll meet soon in the next video.